ARPS utility blade. There you go. Looks pretty good. Good blade on it. On the scraper blade, what do you do there? Give me 500 and go. 500, 300, 300 and go. 300, 300, 300, 300, 300, 300, 200, $200. Let's get in. 200, 200, 200, 100, $100. How about 100? About 100, about 100, about 100, about 100. Well, if you get at that, $100, $50, $50. Let's get in. How about a 50, but 50, but 50, 50, 55, 55, $50, 55, 55, 55, $50, 55, 55, and 60, 60 and 65, 65, $70, $70, 75, 75, 75, and 80, and 85, 85, 85, $90, up to 90, 95, 95, and 100, and 100. Give me 110. 110, 120, 130, 130, 130, 130, 130, 130, and 140, 140, 150, 150, 150, 140, 150, 140, 150, 140, 150, 140, 150, 140, 150. Sold at $140 right here. 223, 223, and we got a little spreader. On your little spreader, spinner spreader. 50 and go, 50 get in, up at a 50, but 50, 50, but a 50, but a 50, but a 50 get 20, 20 and go, 20, 25, 25, 25, $20, 25, 25, 25, $20, 25, 25, $20, 25, 25. Sold at $20 here. Number four, you bet, you bet.
One, if there are manuals, Jonathan has those. He'll drop them on the item after we sell it. So please pick up your manual. We're going to go up this row, turn around, come back row 2, up the 3rd row, and then we'll come back and start with the Massey Ferguson, come up through the tractors, zip around, catch the combines, and down through the trucks, okay? That's how we're doing. We are on Equipment Facts. We will have some people on the phone. And at the moment, we're selling the Dan Huser auger. I'm at $100 and need 1 1/4. $100, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 1/2, 1 1/2, 1 1/2, 1 1/4, 1 1/2. 100 1/4, 1 1/2, 1 1/2, 175. 175, 175, you got him. 100 1/2, 175, 175, 200, 200, 200, 2 1/4, 2 1/4, 200, 2 1/4. You're buying a Dan Hughes, my goodness. 200, 2 1/4, 2 1/4, 2 1/4, 2 1/4, 2 1/2, 2 1/2, 2 1/2, 75, 275, 75, 75, 75, and 300, 300, 3 1/4, 3 1/4, 3 1/4, 300, 3 1/4, 300, 3 1/4, 300, 3 1/4, 300, 3 1/4.
Yeah.
Somebody saying yeah to us?
Yeah. Yep.
Yep. 3 1/4, 3 1/2, 3 1/2, 375, 375, and 400, 400. Thank you. 4 1/4, 4 1/4, 4 1/2, 4 1/2, 75, 475, 500, 5 1/4, 5 1/4, 5 1/2, 5 1/2, and 5 1/2, and 5 1/2, and 5 1/2. I'd like to get over here. 500. 5 1/4, 5 1/2, 5 1/4, 5 1/2. Matthew, we all good? 5 1/4, 5 1/2, and we have sold it. $525. What's your number? 140. 140, 140. Just ease right up, Mel. Nice and easy. All right, right here, lot number 2. This is your John Deere 5B 5-bottom plow right there. That's the one we're selling. Lot 2, $100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 150, 50. What do you get? 50. Thank you. 50, 60, 70, 70 get 70, 70 get 70, 70 and 80, 80, 90, 90. What do you get? 90, 80. What do you get? 90, 80, 90, 80. What do you get? 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 90, 90, and $100, 110, 110. Out back, 110, 120, 130, 140. Out back, 40, 50. I'm up here, Matthew. I got 150, 160, 170. Out back, 180, 190, 200, 210. I'll be with you. 220, 220. 210, 220, 210, 220, 220, 220, 220, 210, 20. Everybody good? 210, 220, and we have sold it. $210 your way. 223, 223. Here is your other 5-bottom John Deere plow with your landside hitch.
He's up here.
200, 100. Who's in? $100. Thank you. 100, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, 1 1/4, $100, 110. $100, 110, 110, 120, 120, 120, 130, 130, 140, 150, 160, 70, 180, 190, and 200, 210, 210, 20, 30, 40, 50, 250, 260, 270. 270, 270, 270, 280, 280, 280, 290, and 300, 300, 3 1/4, 3 1/4, 3 1/4, 3 1/2, 375, and 400, 4 1/4, 4 1/4, 4 1/4, 4 1/4, 4 1/4, 400, 4 1/4, 4 1/4. Sold at $400 right here. 55, 55. Here is your Glen Co soil saver. 7 shank, I think, right? Oh, hey, Matthew, I need my book. The 3-ring binder. This is your Glen Co soil saver, 7 shank, good disc. What do you want to do here? Like $1,000. Let's roll. $1,000. 1,000, 1,000, 100, 100, 100, 100, 100, 500, 500, 500, 600, 700, 700, 700, 800, 800, 900, 900, $1,000. 1,100, 1,200, 1,200. Out back, you need to be 1,200. 13, 13, 13, 13 on the right side, sir. You want to be 13, 13, 14, 14, 15, 15 up front, 15, 1,600, 1,600. Matthew, I'm on the right. 1,500, no, 15, 15, 1,600. You need 16, 17, 17, 17, 18, 18, 18, 19. 1,900, 18, 1,900. I'm with you on the left side. 18, 1,900, 1,900, 1,900. We all done. 1,800, 1,900, 1,900, 1,900, 18, 1,900, and we have sold it. $1,800 your way, sir.
188.
188, 188. Here is lot 5. This is your John Deere 16-foot cultivator. Some packer wheels are loose. That's the way you see it. That's the way you're buying it today. Lot 5, John Deere 16-foot cultivator. What do you want to do here? I'd like $2,000. Two, $1,000. Who's in? 1,000. 1,000, 1,000. Thank you. 1,000, 1,100, 1,100, 1,000, 1,100, 1,100, 1,100, 1,000, 1,100, 1,100, 1,100, 1,000, 1,100, 1,100, 1,100. $1,000 asking. 1,100 on a 16-foot John Deere cultivator. $1,000, 1,100, 1,100, 1,100. We all good? 1,100, and we have 1,100, 1,200, 13, 13, 13, 1,300, 1,300, 13, 14.
Yep.
14, 1,500, 1,500, 1,500, 14, 1,500, 14, 1,500, 1,500. Are you sure? 1,500, and we have sold it. $1,400 out back. 221, 221.
Hey, how you doing? I'm doing good.
This is lot 6. This is your Krauss 4515A disc chisel right there. Lot 6, 20-foot chisel plow with 15 shanks. Thank you very much. We're at 2,600 online. We're at 3,100 online. 3,600. I'm asking 3,700. 4,100. 4,200. Who's in? 4,200. 42. 43. 44. 40. 4,800 online. 49. 5,000. 51. 52. 52. 53. 54. 5,500. 56. 57, 58, 59, 6,000, 62, 64, 66, 68, 7,000.
I don't need you.
72, 74, 7,400, 7,400. It's a good piece. 74, 7,600, 76, 7,800, 8,000. 8,000, 8,200, 84, 84, 85, 8,500, 85, 8,600, 8,600, 8,600, 8,600, 86, 87, 87 up front. You need to be 8,700. It's a good piece. 87, 88, 88, 89, 89, 9,000, 91, 91, 92, 92, 9,200, 9,200, 92, 3, 3, 3, 93, 94, 94, 94, 95, 95, 95, 96, 96, 7, 97, 9,800, 99, 99, 10,000, 10-1, 10-2, 10-2. I'm up front. 10,100 asking. 10,200. 10-2 online. 10-3, 10-3, 10-3, 10-4 internet. You need to be 10-4, 10-4, 10,400, 10-4, 10-5, 10,600, 10,600. 10,600 internet. You need to be 10. You got 10-6, 10-7, 10-7, 10-8, 10-9, 10-9, 11,000.
Yep.
11-1,
Yep.
11-2,
Yep.
11-2, 11-3, 11-3, 4, 11-4, 11-4, 11-5, 11-5, 11-6, 11-7, 11-8, 11-9, 12,000, 12-1, 12-2, 12-3, 12-3. Came a long way. 12-3, 12-400. 12,500, 12,600, 12,600, 700, 700, 700, 800, 12,800, 900, 13,000. 13,1. I need a pen. 13,1, 13,2, 13,3. I got one. 13,3, 13,4, 13,5. 13,6. 7. 13,700, 13,800, 900, 900, 14,000. Thank you. 14,1, 14,1. 14-1, 14-2.
He's got 14-2.
14-3. 14-4. 5. 14-5. 14-6. 14-7. 14-8. 14-9. And 15,000. 15,000. 15-1. 15-2. And 3. 15-3. And 4, and 5, 15.5, 15.5, it's only money, 15.5, 15.5. Way cheaper
Yep.
than the new one, 15.6.
Yep.
7, 15.7,
Yep.
15.8,
Yep.
15.9,
Yep.
and 16,000. Thank you, 16.1.
Yep.
And 2,
Yep.
3, 300, 16,
Yep.
3, 16,
Yep.
4, 16, 5, 16, 5, 16,
Yep.
500, 600,
Yep.
600, 700, 700, 700, 16, 7, 16, 7,
Yep.
16, 7, 16,
Yep.
8, 16, 9,
Yep.
16, 9, 17,000, 17, 1, 17, 1, 17, 1, 17, 1,
Yep.
17, 2,
Yep.
17, 3,
Yep.
4,
Yep.
5,
Yep.
6,
Yep.
7,
Yep.
8, 17, 8,
Yep.
17, 9, 17, 900, 17,900, 18,000,
Yep.
18, 1, 18, 100, 18,100, 200, 300, 300, 300, 300, 300, 300, what do you say? Don't lose her now. 300, 300, 18, 3, 18, 3, 18, 3, 18, 3, 18, 3. Are we all done? I'm out back. 18,200, asking 18,300. Does your man want a bid? 18.3, 18.3. Matthew, make sure he's done. 18.3. I gotta go. 18.3
Yep.
and 3, 4, 18.4, 18.5, 18.5,
Yep.
18,600, 700. 700. We didn't make 20,000 yet. 700. 18.7, 18.7, 18.7. Appreciate your help. 18.7, 18.7, 18.7,
7. Yep.
18.8.
Yep.
18.9.
Said it a couple times already.
18.9, 18,800. Some money. I'm asking 18,900, 18,900, 18,900. Once, twice, 18,900, and we have sold it. $18,800.
189. 189.
189, Daniel.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.